Hi, this is JJ of LJMB. I'll give you basic tips how to go to work using a bike or hashtag bike to work. First tip is check your tire if there's enough air inside. Second tip, always check your brake lever. And second, wear a gloves. Now let's move to fourth tip. Wear sunglasses to protect your eye. Fifth tip, wear face mask from coronavirus or COVID-19. And last but not the least, no matter near or far you ride, always wear a helmet. You know why? It's just simple. Your helmet save your life. Ride safe.
To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.